What do Python, TypeScript, and Rust all have in common? They're leading a revolution in coding, and in 2025, you'll either know them or you're going to risk falling behind. With so many languages to choose from, picking the right one, especially in a DevOps role, can feel like mission impossible. But what if I told you that these 10 languages are exploding and will dominate in 2025? Michael from KodeKloud here. In the past 2 decades, I've seen many programming languages rise and fall. Sometimes they just fade into obscurity. But today I'm not here to bore you with history. Instead, we're diving into the 10 fastest growing programming languages of 2025. Plus, we'll decode why these languages are so hot right now and how you can ride the wave to ensure you're on the right path. Python has been ruling the programming world in many ways for many years, and its dominance isn't slowing down. It's easy to learn, it's versatile, and it's backed by a massive community. Yes, I know it has problems, but whether you're into AI, machine learning, data analysis, or web development, Python pretty much has the tools that you need. Companies like Google, Netflix, and NASA are going to be using Python daily, and its simplicity makes it ideal for beginners, while its robust libraries, frameworks, and toolsets make it powerful enough for seasoned developers. Now, JavaScript is the backbone pretty much of the front end of the internet, and whether it's powering interactive websites or even providing server-side functionality with, say, like Node.js, JavaScript is everywhere. And it's not just for the web. Tools like React Native allow developers to create mobile apps, while frameworks like Angular and Vue make building dynamic web applications a breeze. And if you're interested in front-end, back-end, or even full-stack development, JavaScript is a language you really can't ignore. Now, Java may not be as trendy as newer languages, but its staying power is pretty much unmatched. It's pretty much the default go-to for enterprise applications, including large-scale systems and, of course, Android development. Java's platform independence, its ability to basically run anywhere, makes it a favorite for businesses that need scalable, secure solutions. Plus, it's constantly evolving, with frameworks like Spring Boot that can help keep it modern. And so, if job security and versatility are important to you, Java is a pretty solid choice. When it comes to performance-critical applications, C++ is in a league of its own. This language powers game engines, financial trading systems, and even robotics. Its low-level capabilities give developers precise control over hardware, making it indispensable for building resource-intensive software. While it's not the easiest to learn, C++ rewards you with unmatched speed and efficiency. If you're into game development, C# is a language you'll want to consider and master. It's the backbone of Unity, one of the most popular game engines in the world. It's also widely used for enterprise applications, web development, and mobile apps. Known for its clean syntax and versatility, C# is an excellent choice for developers looking to branch out into multiple fields. TypeScript takes everything you love about JavaScript and makes it better. It adds static typing, TypeScript reduces bugs, and makes large code bases easier to manage. It's becoming a favorite for building scalable web applications, especially in enterprise environments. Major companies like Microsoft and Slack have adopted TypeScript for their projects, proving its reliability and its scalability. So Rust is the new darling of systems programming, and for good reason. It offers memory safety without sacrificing performance. It makes it perfect for industries like blockchain, cloud computing, and game development. Rust is particularly popular among developers who need to write high-performance, reliable software, and its growing adoption and supportive community make it one of the most exciting languages to learn in 2025. So Kotlin has firmly established itself as the go-to language for Android development. Its concise syntax and null safety have led to a 27% growth in usage, solidifying its position as the preferred language for Android development. It has become the go-to choice for creating Android apps that work like magic while saving time and sanity. Google's endorsement of Kotlin has only accelerated its adoption, but Kotlin isn't really just for mobile apps, it's also making waves in web and server-side development as well. Go, or Golang, is often called the utility belt of cloud engineers. Its simplicity, speed, and concurrency support makes it perfect for modern infrastructure, especially for low-latency apps. If you're working in cloud-native environments or building microservices, Go's clean syntax and performance efficiency are unbeatable. Swift is Apple's language of choice for iOS and macOS development. Its modern syntax and safety features make it beginner-friendly, yet powerful enough for professional-grade apps. If you're interested in building applications for Apple's ecosystem, well, Swift is the way to go. With Apple's continuous support, Swift's relevance and demand will only grow in the coming years. So there you have it, the 10 programming languages shaping the future of technology in 2025. From Python's versatility to Rust's safety, each language offers unique advantages that can align with your career goals. The key is to start with one language that excites you, build a real-world project that captures your passion, and just keep growing and learning in that language, and then moving to the next language is easy. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Which language are you excited to learn next? Let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.